Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm Emma, and I'm already smiling because I know today's conversation is going to be fun.
And I'm Jake, and yes, Emma is smiling in that I might embarrass Jake today kind of way.
Maybe, maybe not. Depends on your mood.
My mood is great. It's Saturday morning, I've had my coffee, and I'm mentally prepared for your chaos.
Oh, that's sweet. Chaos accepted.
All right, before we jump in, if you want to learn real English with real conversations, remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English naturally.
Yes, it helps the channel grow and it helps learners around the world. Okay, let's guess today's topic. I'll give a clue.
I'm ready.
Clue number 1. We do this every single day.
Breathing?
No, but thank you for that very dramatic answer.
Okay, clue number 2.
Clue number 2. Some people enjoy it, some people hate it, and some people pretend they are productive, but actually scroll on their phones for 30 minutes.
Oh, daily routines?
Yep. Today's topic is how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Nice. This one's super useful. In English, people talk about their morning, their night, their habits. It's a big part of everyday conversation.
And because our listeners are beginners, we'll keep everything simple, slow, and natural.
And maybe a little embarrassing for us.
Definitely embarrassing. Let's start with mornings. Okay, Jake, be honest. What do you do when you first wake up?
Honestly, I say 5 more minutes, then sleep for 20 more minutes.
You snooze the alarm?
Oh yeah, I hit the snooze button like it owes me money.
That's so relatable. For listeners listening, you can say, I hit the snooze button, or I go back to sleep.
Yep. And then I finally wake up, sit on the edge of the bed like a confused turtle, and think about life.
I know that moment, the what is happening moment.
Yes. Then I go wash my face, make coffee, and check my phone.
What do you check first? Messages? News?
Honestly, the weather. I need to know if I'm going to be angry today.
Mood weather. Okay, my turn. My morning routine is different.
Here comes misorganized.
Hey, I'm not that organized, but yeah, I wake up early. I stretch for a minute, drink warm water, and open my curtains.
Wow, that's like a romantic movie morning.
Thank you. Then I make breakfast, usually eggs, toast, and fruit.
See? Organized.
Okay, maybe a little, but I also sometimes scroll on my phone for too long, like everyone else.
Good, I feel less guilty now. So, for beginners, here are easy ways to talk about your morning routine. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I go to work. I take the bus.
And to make it more natural, add one more detail. I drink coffee to wake up. I listen to music on the bus. I check my emails when I arrive.
Simple, clear, very natural.
Okay, let's move to afternoons. What's your typical afternoon like?
Work, work, and more work.
You sound like a robot.
That's how it feels sometimes. But around 2 p.m., I usually get sleepy. I call it the 2 p.m. collapse.
I get that too. For listeners, you can say, I feel sleepy after lunch. I take a short break.
Yes. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I just stare at the wall.
Very productive. And you? My afternoons are usually creative. I work on videos, check ideas, write scripts, or plan lessons.
She also texts me like, Jake, listen to this idea 5 times a day.
Because my brain is active after lunch.
Meanwhile, mine is trying to shut down.
Let's talk evenings. My evenings are peaceful. I cook dinner, clean up a little, and maybe watch something on Netflix.
What are you watching right now?
A cooking show? It makes me hungry at 10 p.m., which is a problem.
Yeah, that's dangerous. My evenings are simple too. I eat, I relax, and I call my mom.
Oh, that's sweet.
If I don't call, she says, "You forgot about me?" Emotional damage.
Moms are powerful. Night routines can be simple to talk about. I take a shower, I read a book, I prepare for the next day, I go to bed around 11.
And for me, I watch YouTube, I snack when I shouldn't, and I sleep too late.
That's honest. Sometimes I stay up late thinking about things I forgot to do.
Overthinking at night hits different.
Very different.
Everyone has both.
Yes. For example, a good habit for me is drinking water early.
A bad habit, for me, is procrastinating chores.
Same. When learners talk about habits, they can say, I'm trying to, I want to, I need to stop, I should start. Like, I'm trying to sleep earlier. I want to exercise more. I should stop eating late at night.
Perfect.
Can I share something? Something small but personal?
Always.
Sometimes daily routine feels boring. Like every day looks the same. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat.
I get that, especially in winter. Days feel short. Nights feel long.
Yes. But I learned something. If you add one small happy thing to your day, music, a walk, a call with a friend, the whole routine feels better.
That's beautiful and true.
A routine isn't a cage. It's a rhythm.
Emotional Emma is back. So, today we learned about how to talk about morning routine, afternoon routine, evening routine, night habits, good versus bad habits.
And simple sentence patterns like I wake up at, I usually, I sometimes, I try to, I want to.
If you enjoyed this conversation and want more natural English,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
we read every comment. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.